Ashvi. So today I'm back with another video on how to paint rocks. Let's get right into it. Start by adding a coat of white acrylic paint. Make sure to apply at least 2 coats of paint. You can also apply another coat of paint if your rock is too dark in color. We are applying white paint as a base coat so that the actual color pops out. After you apply the white paint, make sure to sketch out your drawing beforehand. Here I am making a slice of watermelon and a minion character. I started by applying yellow on the body of the minion. Make sure to use acrylic paints only for painting on the rocks. Next I used blue for the outfit of the minion. Next I used black for the eye of the minion. If you feel like you made a mistake, go over with 1 or 2 coats of the paint. At last I added some highlights with black paint. And our first rock is ready. Next I started painting the watermelon slice. First I took a dark shade of green and applied it as the first color of the slice. Next I took a medium green color and applied it below the darker shade of green. Now I took a very lighter shade of green and applied it below the medium green color. For the next step I took some red paint and applied it on the entire white space. At last I made some seeds with black paint. And the watermelon rock is ready. Now for the final step, I took some clear nail polish and applied it over the rock. This helps in giving a glossy effect and it also protects the paint. I also coated the watermelon rock with some clear nail polish. And our customized rocks are ready. You can use these rocks as paperweights or decorations.